Hey guys, welcome to Cool Tool Tuesday. We often get people coming in the shop and bringing some wax to the counter and explaining that they want to use that to help protect their tools like their hand planes or their cast iron tops. That's where we bring in Carnauba. Carnauba. So obviously these flakes aren't going to go straight onto your cast iron plane, but Gilly Stevensons have this Carnauba Polish, which is a very, very high percentage of Carnauba. It also has some beeswax and other things to make it easy to apply, but it's basically the Carnauba in this that is what we're really going for. Yeah, some of the benefits of using this polish is it does actually go quite far, and you can have the 1 tin of stuff in your workshop which will work on both your tabletops and your fine furniture and your planes. It also works fantastically on the underside of shop-made jigs, whether it's like a sled for your table saw. Pop this on the bottom of it, wipe it back off, let that harden, and your sled will slide beautifully. So it's quite a soft polish which makes it easy to apply. You don't need to use much of it, which is a bonus because it'll go quite far. So when you apply it, just dip a bit in with a nice clean rag, wipe that all over the tool you're trying to protect, whether it's a plane or a chisel or the bottom of a sled that you're going to be using on your table saw, even your table saw itself, the cast iron top. Rub this all in, cover the whole surface sparingly. As I said, you don't need much. Wait a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes for it to tack off a bit. Grab yourself a clean rag and buff that back off. Wait a couple of hours and the wax will harden and then you're good to go. This will help prevent it from rusting. It'll help stop the horrible oils and things from your fingers sticking to your plane and leaving those disgusting little rust marks. It also makes using your tools just a bit easier because it does slide across the work surface better, and being the sort of finish that it is, it's not going to affect any other finishes that you then put on top. So not only does it protect your tools from rust and the elements and wear, it's also fantastic to use on furniture. So to check out the Carnauba Wax from Gilly Stevensons and the rest of their fantastic range, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week.